Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 9 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, we will now show you how to assemble the TWIN BUSCH tire changer TWW X-98. Use a pallet jack to move the machine. For the assembly, you will need a sharp knife, a hammer and a rubber mallet, a socket set, a set of open-end spanners, a set of Allen keys, a flat screwdriver and a side cutter. Open the package with a sharp knife. Remove the wooden slats from the pallet with a hammer, for example. We will now have a look at the accessory parts. Make sure all the small parts are complete. Please read the instructions thoroughly before assembling the machine. If needed, rotate the machine into position. The mounting arm can then be removed. Remove the transport holder with a size 13 socket. Put the mounting arm aside. Use a size 10 socket to remove the machine from the pallet. Lift the machine from the pallet with 2 persons. The mounting arm is assembled next. Remove the nuts which will later fasten the mounting arm with a size 17 socket. The washers can be removed more easily with a flat screwdriver. Keep the nuts and washers handy. Bring the mounting arm into position. Put on the washers and nuts again. Tighten the nuts with the size 17 socket. Have the bead breaker, rubber buffer and plastic protector ready. Loosen the nut on the bead breaker with a size 24 socket. Insert the rubber buffer on the bar. Retighten the nut. Remove the pre-mounted screw on the bead breaker. Screw the bead breaker onto the machine. Use a size 10 Allen key. Place a washer and a nut on the screw and tighten the screw with a size 19 ring spanner. Place the protective cap on the bead breaker. Use a rubber mallet as an aid. Insert the ring that serves as a holder for the tire mounting wax. Remove the screws on top of the mounting arm with a size 8 Allen key. Keep the screws and Allen key handy. Screw the joystick to the control unit for the upper help arm. Screw the help arm on the upper part of the mounting arm, as shown here. Remove the grub screws with a size 5 Allen key to insert the cylinder. Install the cylinder with the narrow piston now. Insert the cylinder so that the headless screws end up in the pre-drilled holes. The compressed air connection must point back to the help arm. Retighten the grub screws with the size 5 Allen key. Mount the help arm's end piece, also with a size 5 Allen key.
Connect the cylinder's compressed air hoses as shown. The hose from the lower piston goes to the upper outlet on the control unit. Loosen the pin and keep it handy. Screw the joystick to the control unit for the second help arm. Tighten the first part of the help arm to the mounting arm. Screw in the pin. Use a size 32 open-end spanner and a size 24 socket. Remove the grub screws with a size 5 Allen key to insert the piston. Insert the cylinder with the big piston so that the grub screws fit into the pre-drilled holes. The compressed air connections must point back to the mounting arm. Retighten the headless screws. Install the bead press roll. The fixing screw must go through the slot in the piston afterwards. Screw on the bead press roll with a size 5 Allen key. The bead press roll should be freely movable after its assembly. Connect the cylinder's compressed air hoses as shown here. The hose from the lower cylinder inlet goes to the upper outlet on the control unit. Next, connect the open hose from the help arm with the connecting piece on the mounting arm. Then remove the nut from the T-piece hanging on the mounting arm and put it on the open end of the help arm's hose. Then connect the T-piece with the hose's open end. Tighten all connections firmly with a size 10 open-end spanner. Remove the cable tie that retains the compressed air hose from the upper help arm. Remove the nut from the T-piece located on the upper help arm.
and put it on the open end of the hose coming from the mounting arm. Then connect the hose to the T-piece. Firmly tighten all connections with a size 10 open-end spanner. Move the hose downwards through the brackets. Connect the compressed air hose to the air supply on the lower part of the machine. Make sure the hose is not under tension above. We can now assemble the tire inflator. Loosen the retaining screws on the post with a size 5 Allen key. Screw the control unit for the tire inflator onto the post. Lead the two compressed air hoses on the back of the machine up to the control unit. And connect the right hose with the right connection, and the left hose with the left connection. Next, open the side cover by removing the two screws with a size 5 Allen key. Inside, connect the big compressed air hose with the connection under the post. The cover can then be placed on again. Insert the adjusting screw for the rim diameter. It is simply screwed in. For the next step, connect the machine to a compressed air supply. Loosen the lock on the mounting arm. Make sure that the nut on the locking mechanism is not tightened. The nut should be opened approximately 1.5 turns, so that the locking mechanism operates correctly. Use a size 17 spanner for the adjustment. Raise the mounting arm completely and lock it there with the locking button. Remove the transport safety from the mounting arm with a size 8 Allen key. The screw will not be needed again. Have the spring, cover cap and new screw ready. Insert the spring. Tighten the cap with the new screw with a size 8 Allen key. Put on the protective cap and fix it with a size 5 Allen key and the pre-mounted retaining screws. Here is an overview of the remaining adapters and accessories. The hooks on the upper help arm can be used to hang the help arm adapters. If desired, the rim protectors can be set on the clamping jaws to avoid scratching the rims. The mounting iron is placed on the front of the machine. The assembly of the TWI X-98 is thus concluded. Connect the machine to the air supply now. Place a rim with the diameter you want on the machine. If later you work with rims that have a significantly smaller diameter, we recommend a corresponding readjustment. Guide the mounting head to the rim. The large glider should rest smoothly on the rim during operation. If this is not the case, loosen the screws to align the head exactly. If the glider fits smoothly on the rim, first fix the position with the side grub screw to prevent accidental adjustment. Then tighten the lower hexagon screw. Finally, the two front grub screws are tightened, so that the set angle is finally adjusted. To change the gliders you need a hammer and a flat screwdriver. Remove the plastic glides with the screwdriver. Remove the small plastic glider. Here we see the two replacement gliders. The plastic glides can be simply tapped in place. Hold the glider in the position it should be hit, and hit him with the hammer. Finished. The pneumatic maintenance unit consists of an air supply, a pressure regulator, a pressure indicator, a condensed water separator, an oil tank, and the oil atomizer. The oil tank and condensed water separator can be unscrewed. Compressed air oil or WD-40 can be refilled in this way, or the condensed water separator can be cleaned. Prior to this procedure, it is absolutely necessary to separate the machine from the compressed air source. We connect the machine to adjust the pressure. If the pressure on the display exceeds 10 bar, turn the pressure regulator until the pressure lowers to 10 bar.